I love cooking with what my wife calls farang herbs. These are herbs that foreigners use in cooking and are not often found in Thai dishes. But I've really struggled to be able to grow them and keep them growing in my garden. So I've bought a few new plants from the garden centre in Chiang Mai, and I'm going to try again to really improve my technique. So far, I've planted them both in pots and straight in the ground. I have prepared raised beds for them. I've filled them carefully so that they're well draining. I've tried everything up to a point, but I will try again. So this time I'm going to try again in containers. I've prepared some soil that is a mixture of potting mix, some sand, and what I really hope will help a lot is biochar that I've made myself. I've crushed it down, I've mixed it in, and I've had this mixture soaking in our EM fertilizer, our red plant juice that I call it, that my wife makes. That is a enzyme-based plant food that's organic, that really benefits the soil a lot. And adding this, when you add biochar to your soil, the biochar becomes like a condominium. It becomes a home for the enzymes in that plant food. So I'm hoping that that will really help feed my farang herbs. So today I've got some rosemary, I've got some thyme, I've got a mint plant. I'm going to try each of these, and I'm also going to build a cover over the location where I'm going to put my pots. I've had it covered in the past. I've had this particular area that I think is quite a good spot. It doesn't get sun all day, but it gets good afternoon sun. I think that the sun may be a bit too intense, and certainly at this time of the year in our rainy season, the rain is far too intense when it's really pouring down. So I've got some translucent corrugated plastic sheeting that allow enough light to come through, but it'll stop the heavy rain from really pounding on these little plants. It doesn't look as nice as the rice straw roofing that I was using, but it will have the advantage of letting that much more light into the plants. The climate here, because it's so hot and humid and it's only cool for a short period of the year, it's not so ideal for growing foreign herbs. I'm determined to succeed growing foreign herbs because they are so good, particularly on pizzas. When we bake pizzas in our wood fire pizza oven to serve to customers, adding some homegrown, organic, fresh herb to the mix is just going that extra mile that really makes a huge difference to the flavour and the overall experience of enjoying a good, fresh, wood-fired pizza. So now that I've got these potted up, I will go and put them in the location that I've chosen, and they'll be ready for adding to pizzas and other dishes in no time. Why don't you come on down and join us for fresh pizza and a really relaxing time here at Suansok Homestay. I hope you've enjoyed this little video. Please give us a like, and if you're new to our channel, click that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you can stay up to date when we release new videos. Thanks for watching.